strikeouts. Facing San Antonio's number 8 hitter, McGee. Ball 1 low and outside. Bousfield and Urias to follow. You want to get after these 8 and 9 hitters right here. As the fastball's in for a strike at the knees. No one warming at the moment for the Travelers. Out in the bullpen. It is Andrew Moore's show. Breaking ball stayed high, 2-1. Chance to get a victory today for Moore. Get his team back to 500. Fastball fouled back, 2 balls, 2 strikes. $4,282 were here today for the doubleheader, most of them school kids, and they've headed back to school to go home. Should be about time for school to be over most places. Several hundred folks, though, still sticking around here at the ballpark. Pitch is high, full count of 3-2. McGee steps back in the box. Andrew Moore brings a 3-2 pitch. Swing and a miss at a high fastball. Moore has his 5th strikeout.